So this is room 566. This is a Lakeview room in the Lego Pirate Island Hotel. You can see here we have this cute little Lego theming before we even walk in the door. We're inside the room. You can see they have great little kid-centric touches here. Like this is just a normal peephole, but there's also one down here at child height, which is a whole lot of fun. So right here to the right off of the front door is the kids area. And you can see from the minute you walk into these rooms that this is just a super fun, very kid-centric, but adults can enjoy it too, hotel. They've got, the security footage of the dance party in the elevator. And then they have this, as though it's closed-circuit TV of Lego figures running all up and down the halls, kind of on a loop throughout the room. But in this little television area for the kids, you can see we have Legos for them to play with. We have a little board on the wall, as well as down here on the table for them to stick Legos to and build. And then there's more over here on the other side. And all up these walls, you can see we have Lego figures and Lego theming all over the walls here. This is super cute. Lots of fun. Over here you can see we have 2 bunk beds, and my kids are super excited to sleep here. There's also a treasure map on the floor, and that's very appropriate because as we come over here to the left of the front door, we can see that there's actually a scavenger hunt for the kids to take part in using this device right here, whose name I'm not going to say because I don't want it to activate, but it is compatible with Amazon. I will leave it at that. So as we keep walking in here and turn off to our left, this is our closet area. Pretty good space here. You can see all of our luggage easily fits. There is a safe down there. And as we turn into the right, here is the bathroom. And again, this Lego theming carries into the bathroom. It's even a 3-dimensional Lego crab on the wall, which is really cute. It does come with a hairdryer. Plenty of counter space. Then over here we have our shower and tub combo with a handheld, or it can work as a traditional shower head as well. Coming back out here, we have a little desk space, and this is also where they have the phone if you need to call down to the front desk. They also have a Keurig brand coffee maker, which does come equipped with a few K-cups for you. As we open up this cabinet down here, we can see our beverage cooler here. Now there is no freezer space in this one, it's just a refrigerator, but perfect for storing drinks or medications. Even more Lego pirate theming on the walls here. And this television will have that same looping themed video, which is a lot of fun. We'll look at that lake view in just a second, but here is the adult space over here, separate from the kids' sleeping space. The bathroom is in between the two. This is a king-size bed, which if you're taller people like my husband and I are, this is really great setup for people who are a little bit taller, have a harder time fitting in a queen-size bed. Again, another 3-dimensional Lego statue over here. Full-length mirror, which is really nice. And I'm gonna do another 360. Oh, here we go. Here's more of that footage. It's hilarious. Dance party. And over here is our beautiful lake view. Now this was an upcharge. We did pay a little extra for this, but in my opinion, it was totally worth it. That is an absolutely beautiful view. I really love, and it's very important to me that what I'm looking out at in a hotel room is beautiful, not just the hotel room itself being nice. So I absolutely love that view. And you can see the pool down here a little bit as well. So I'll give you one more look. But this is our beautiful lake view room at the Lego Pirate Island Hotel in Legoland, Florida.